Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight, change the blinker or turn signal bulb, your bright bulb, and your dim headlight bulb in this video. So if this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. So the first thing you do, pop your hood. And then the headlights are held in by two bolts right here. They're 10 millimeters. I've already taken these out. And then you can simply lift the headlight out like this. Now all of these bulbs are covered with these little caps like this that just twist and turn out. And then same with the bulb. You twist this, pull it out. For the blinker here, or turn signal, and then you just pull this bulb out and stick your new one back in. I'm going to have links in the description below where you can get a new headlight or new bulbs. And then your brights and dim bulbs are a little bit different, but largely the same. Caps come off the same way, but the bulbs look a little bit different. They look like that. Make sure you don't touch the glass with your fingers because oil will lower the life of the bulb. The way these come out is you just push these two clips on the side apart and pull this plug off, and then you can replace the bulb. This whole plastic piece is all part of the bulb assembly. So if you were going to replace your whole headlight assembly here, all you got to do is unplug this clip right here. So you can just push this right here and unplug this clip, and then you stick your new one in. And then when you're putting this back in, these little pegs go in those two little holes right there. So you line those up, slide it right down there in, and then put your bolts back in here. So hopefully that covers it all. So here are a couple examples of bad bulbs. I think you can see in this one, there's a filament gone, that lower filament. There's two of them in here. It's broken. And then this one is also bad. The filaments are still good, but you can see it's kind of melted there on the plastic. Something's bad there. So anyway, if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.